Hi, I'm Caleb, and I've been building custom game controllers for people with physical disabilities for about 10 years now. I'm starting this Patreon as a way, hopefully, of being able to do that even more in the future, both through a little bit of financial incentive, because so far I've been paying for everything out of pocket except for my 3D printer, which was donated. I pay for shipping, design, 3D printing materials and stuff like that, but also for accountability. If I say I'm going to build something or if I get people following me, it helps me follow through. So let me run through what to expect from this Patreon. First, what I'll be doing. Mostly this will be for custom gaming controllers. What I do is completely custom. Big companies like Microsoft do things that hopefully appeal to a broad amount of people, but when it comes to physical disabilities, there are so many variations, no two people are the same, and broad fixes like the Microsoft Accessible controller unfortunately just do not work for a lot of people, where a simple modification to a standard controller can allow somebody to play. So that's where I focus. Absolute custom builds for individuals. I try to make them as simple as possible so I can also distribute the files online for other people to build. Preferably, if I can do it completely 3D printed, that's ideal. In terms of the different tiers, well, like most people that get into this, I'm a little uncomfortable with the whole concept of asking people for money and what the time cost is going to be. I'm new to this, so the tiers will probably change and evolve over time based on feedback from anybody who follows. As far as what you get when you sign up, well, look at the tiers and see what I'm offering there. But in terms of content, in terms of what I'm going to be producing, well, mostly gaming modifications. I'll take you through the process of designing. I will be asking for feedback, showing previews, stuff like that. There'll probably also be some things like general 3D printing, hand engraving, printmaking, and stuff like that scattered in. So thank you for your support, and hey, I'm looking forward to seeing what we can build together.